and welcome. In this Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to create realistic mock-up on a white t-shirt, step by step, using a displacement map and blending tricks. Let's begin. First, duplicate the t-shirt layer by pressing Ctrl-J. Now go to the top menu. Click Image, then Adjustments and choose Desaturate. Next, go to Filter, then Blur and select Gaussian Blur. Set the blur to around 9 pixels. Now save this layer as PSD file. Go to File, then Save As and name it something like Desaturate. Go to File, then Place Embedded and select your tiger logo. And position it in the center of the shirt. With the tiger layer selected, go to Filter, then Distort and choose Displace. Set both horizontal and vertical scale to around 15 pixels. Click OK. Then choose the displacement PSD file we saved earlier. Now the tiger will follow the folds and texture of the fabric. Then delete the duplicated layer. To blend the tiger with the shirt, change its blending mode to Multiply. Then go to Blending Options. In the Underlying Layers section, hold Alt and drag the white slider to the left. This breaks the slider and gives a soft, realistic blend with the shirt. And that's it. You've now created a realistic tiger t-shirt mock-up in Photoshop. If you found this helpful, give it a like, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more design tutorials.